Oh my god. I'm done changing my clothes. I think something's wrong. My closet isn't clean. I'm gonna clean that tomorrow. I don't really care because it's a rainy day. Yeah. Okay. That's too loud, so we gotta wait until those are done. I'll just go check on the kids because it's kind of time for them to lay down. Hold on, let me get my phone. What time it is? Oh, I was just checking. Why am I on my game? Okay. Oh my god, it's 8 o'clock. They lay down in 30 more minutes, so we might as well just get them to bed. Kid, wait, I think something's wrong. Can you look down? Oh my god, I had my shirt on the whole time. That was just crazy. What are you doing? Trying to get out of the bed because it's stuck. Okay. My little one, what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna put my phone down and create some because you might not want to be in there for like the whole time. The whole 30 minutes. Sweetie, what you playing? Oh, what I'm playing? What I'm playing is Girl, I have the baby in my hand. I have the freaking baby in my hand. Wait, what? You have the baby in your hand? I can't see anything. You can't see anything? Take that thing off. Take that thing. Take it off now. Okay. And go get in your night clothes because that is not what I saw you in last time. It isn't. Well, I don't want to take it in my night clothes. And sorry guys, I didn't put part 2 of losing a puppy, but we did find the puppy. I'm gonna post that tomorrow, so just look out for it tomorrow. Okay, go get dressed. I can't with you. Wait, Mom, I have to do something. I just heard that. Hold on. You are the most disgustingest. I had to burp again, Mom. What's the problem? Because you're just burping without saying excuse me. Excuse me? Now go and get changed in your night clothes now. Why does my mom have to be so strict? Why does Mom have to be so strict? She's not strict! Oh my god, you have to be strict too. Damn, what's wrong with you? Really bad. He has bad temper tantrums. Really bad temper tantrums. She could have told me to watch out. Maybe this or these two. She could have told me to watch out. She could have told me to watch out because she had the baby in her hand. I almost had the baby. It wasn't my fault I almost had the baby. You should have told me you had the baby in your hand. Oh guys, I just need to make a shout out. Someone in my class. So shout out to Ava. And yeah, shout out to Ava. Okay, that's my best friend just to tell you. Okay, anyway, let's get started with this video again because I'm already getting started when I'm not even moving to sisters. I need to take my shoes off. I just need to take my shoes off because Mom's gonna get mad at me walking on the dang floor. We're just gonna put them up there. At least I can climb up here and get them. Okay, walking on the dang floor with shoes on. But she walked on the dang floor with shoes on. She still couldn't put her shoes up. Sis, I always don't take the milk powder, baby powder out. Sis, you didn't take the baby powder out. What baby powder? The baby powder to your milk. Oh, no, here, Mom. Oh, thanks. We already had dinner, so y'all don't need no dinner. When did this come out? Sweetheart, did you make them back a bottle? Yeah, but I forgot to clean up. Sorry. It's okay. At least you made them something. They was getting on my nerves. But if you don't... This frustrated me already. Okay, I don't know how she does all this in her book bag. This is her lunchbox. I don't know why this is in here. Anyways. She really annoys me. Really annoys me. Okay, let's just set her bag right there for tomorrow. Okay, everybody get to bed. It's almost 8:30. I just have to check the time. Oh, forgot to feed them. Okay, after I feed y'all, y'all better go to bed. Okay? Just eat that one, and just eat some out of my hand, which is very disgusting. You eat this one. Okay, y'all get to bed. Take turns. I don't know. You sleep in there tonight. You know where to sleep. Man, if you don't go to sleep, I'm sorry, but you better go to sleep. Because I'm not about to do this tonight. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Come on, we must go to bed. Man, if you don't get your butt upstairs, okay. Damn, it's too much. Okay. Why are we up here first? Because it's the first level after 1. What do you mean I make a good point? This is serious. Okay. Okay. Let's put the baby one over here. Okay. Okay, get to bed. Okay. Good night. Look at Mom. Don't mind the background noise, that's my mom. Let me use the lights going off. Okay. Yeah, it's about to be dark. I don't know if I'm turning it off or on, but I'm just gonna keep checking. Alright, better get to bed. Because just too much. Wait. Because my mom is annoying me. Okay. Good night, y'all. Okay, guys, I will make a part 2, so keep out for that video and keep coming on my channel just in case. Okay, bye.